Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, and Naturallyads on YouTube. So today's video I'm planning for the week beginning October 25th to the 31st, also known as the week of Halloween. I'm using this kit called Fright from PlannerFace. I matched it with a pink hollow foil from PlannerPixieCo. I think I used the PlannerPixieCo foil this whole month. So as you can see, on Tuesday and Wednesday I did some like half box extender hacks using the full boxes rather than adding it into the day by day, and they seem to be holding well still while looking at my planner now. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. This week I had a couple more extenders than I had planned for, so I needed to bring in some extra full box underlays. So you can see the ones under the extenders are a pink color, not a pink hollow, but looking at it now you can't really tell. In the sidebar I had to bring in a few things so I could color block it, but this week was a perfect week to color block. I was so excited to color block this week. So as of this week I was 22 weeks pregnant and my baby was the size of a papaya according to my sidebar. So I'm almost about done with the base, and I'm going to get started the day by day. So starting with Monday, at the top of Monday I used a party hat sticker from Plans to note that it was the start of half term. So if for you US people that don't know what half term is, it's basically like a summer, like a break. So this is our fall break, I guess you would call it. I then use the alarm clock icon from the foil bundle to note waking up early even though it was half term. That sounds about right for me. I then used this self-care sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a self-care script from the foil bundle to note doing like some face mask and some body scrubs on my stomach to help with my stretch marks. I then used a planner sticker from Mr. and Mrs. Mink Co. and a memory plan script from Ice Cream Joe to note memory planning. I tried to fill it in the like rubbed off bits with some Sharpie and it didn't go well, so ignore how it looks. And I'm sorry about the birds, the window's open and you know it's quite early. Then I used a 6 sticker from Sweet Ava's paper to note that I was feeling ill. I then marked getting some Happy Meal with a I don't even know what these things are called because we don't have them in the UK mailbox, I think. Sticker from Watson with Love and a Happy Meal script from Mick Plans to note getting some Happy Meal. I then use a cramps sticker from Joy of Planning to note that Malik was kicking me, so I used the Malik custom script that I got from Randy.plans, and then I wrote kicking underneath. And then used these washi tape stickers from Fox and Cactus that matched the green perfectly to note fun planning. The fun plan is a custom script from Plans. Moving on to Tuesday, I used this up early sticker from vanilla sticker from Paper Shy to note waking up early. Again, I don't know why waking up early in my half term. I think I was going to my mum's house every day, I'm pretty sure. And I used this laptop sticker from the foil bundle to note that the internet was acting up. I then used this boy sticker from PMD Stickers and a work script from the foil bundle to note that because the internet wasn't working, my husband had to go into work rather than working from home, so I didn't go to my mum's house this day. I don't know why I woke up early. I used this munchkin, I think it's from SBC because it's glossy, like really tired to note I had a lazy day this day. I used this TV sticker from Paper and Milk to note binge watching The Resident. I then used this stethoscope sticker, I think it was from a freebie, can't tell you where it's from though, to note watching The Good Doctor. I then used the YouTube play button sticker from Plans? Yes, from Plans, and a YouTube binge script from Mick Plans to note binge watching some YouTube. And then in the half box extended that I did in the full box, I marked snuggling my husband with a heart lock sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio and a Johnson Snuggles custom script from Randy.plans. And then I marked doing some furniture shopping with a girl on a sofa from PMD Stickers. So I think that was, I don't know what I was looking for, but this was the best sticker that matched the colour to use. Moving on to Wednesday, I have another one of these half box extenders. So at the top I use a paper milk Maru on like a pillow to note sleeping all day. The sleep all day, or having a lazy day. The sleep all day script is from SPC. I then use a YouTube play button from Kylie Plans and a YouTube binge script from Make Plans to note a YouTube binge. I then marked looking at baby stuff with a baby grow sticker from PMD Stickers to note looking at that. Then marked doing my observation with also Paper Girl, that matched perfectly because she was orange and she was like looking, so I used that to mark my observation. I then marked going to my mum's house with a house sticker from the Crafty Planner. I marked getting some chicken and chips with a chicken burger sticker from the Crafty Planner. I then marked my husband gaming using a Switch sticker, which was orange, which is why I used it, even though he was playing a PlayStation, and a babe gaming custom script from Make Plans. I then marked a Plan With Me binge with a Olive with a planner, and a Plan With Me binge custom script from the Planner Pixie Co. Another aeroplane, really? I might just close the window in a second. I then used this baby in the stomach sticker from Planner Hannah to note more cramps. On to Thursday, I marked waking up early with a bed sticker. I don't think I matched the colours on this day super well. Actually I did, I think just the bed isn't the right colour. I used the bed sticker from Kylie Plans to note waking up early again. I then used a Maru on a laptop sticker from Paper and Milk and a work script from the foil bundle to note that my husband had to go into work again this day because the internet still wasn't working. I marked having a chill day with a Munchkin sticker in a blanket. I think this is from SPC again because it's glossy. I then used a spoon and fork sticker from Paper and Milk to note getting some chicken and chips. And then I used a house sticker from the foil bundle to note going to my mum's house. I marked cramps with a girl holding her back from Joya Planning. And then marked no internet with a laptop from What's More With Love with the Munchkin looking unimpressed. So this, I think I marked this all out of order, but this is how it fit. Then I used a TV icon from the foil bundle to note binge watching The Good Doctor. I then used a hair appointment sticker from Kylie Plans to note doing 2 hair appointments. The appointment script is from the foil bundle. And then I use a TV sticker from, it might be from the Crafty Planner, to note having a TV binge. And I wrote water bottle and TV binge because I think I had a hot water bottle because I was having some serious cramps, and that usually helped. On to the 29th, on Friday, I used a Rise and Shine Munchkin from What's More With Love to note waking up early once again. I then used a house sticker from Kylie Plans to note going to her mum's house. I then used this scrunchy sticker from a Kylie Plans freebie, an appointment script from Randy.Plans to note another hair appointment. I then used this Munchkin thinking about someone to note missing my husband. I think I was doing the hair appointment for a long time at my mum's house. I then used a YouTube play button sticker from Kylie Plans and a YouTube binge script from Make Plans to note a YouTube binge. I used a pizza sticker from the foil bundle to note getting some pizza for takeout. I used this PlayStation controller from the Crafty Planner and a Babe Gaming custom script from Make Plans to note my husband gaming. Then used the scale binge watching on the laptop from Maddie and Tomato to note binge watching there. Yes, I did, and I had to cut her at the bottom, and her hair was really big, so I had to cut down some of her hair, which I didn't want to do to make it fit, because I didn't want to cut too much of the bottom because her trousers were green and I wanted that to show, obviously. So I had to make the decision of cutting off her hair, which I was sad about, but it's okay. Moving on to Saturday, I used a Sleeping Girl from PMD Stickers to note sleeping in. The sleeping script is from SPC. I then used these pillow stickers from Papershire to note having a lazy day. I used this couple cuddling sticker from Make Plans and a Johnson Cuddles custom script from Randy.Plans to note cousin my husband. I used this toaster sticker from Paper and Milk to note making some breakfast. Then used this binge watch girl sticker from Sweet Ava's Paper and a YouTube binge custom script from make plans to note YouTube binge. I use a planning girl from Stick with the Plan Co. and a Plan With Me binge custom script from PlannerFace to note a Plan With Me binge. I use the same Munchkin sticker from What's More of Love to note missing my husband. I think he went somewhere, I don't know. Then use these pop-up stickers from PlannerFace and a movie night script from the foil bundle to note watching some movies. I'm pretty sure I watched them by myself and my husband went out this day. Yeah, I think he went to a Halloween party or something. Moving on to Sunday. So on Sunday I have a extender. At the top I use this full character scribbler, or old scribbler since she has new ones now, from SBC, and a Happy Halloween script from oh gosh, Rose Colour Days. I don't remember the shop's names anymore, so I'm sorry. From Rose Colour Days, well, no, it was Halloween. I then used a alarm clock sticker from Paper Candy Art and a Daylight Savings Begins script from Rose Colour Days to note Daylight Savings began. Then use this couple sticker from Cookie Sticker Co. and a sleeping script from SBC to note me and my husband sleeping in. The orange match perfectly. As you can see, I forgot to put my weekend banner down, so I'm doing it now. I then use this buff sticker from the foil bundle to note having a lazy day. I use a YouTube play button from PMD stickers and a YouTube script from Adobe Amy Designs to note a YouTube binge. I use a planner sticker from the kit and a Plan With Me binge custom script from what is it called? The PlannerFace to note a Plan With Me binge. I use a burger sticker from the foil bundle to note getting some takeout. I use a couple sticker from PMD stickers and a Johnson Snuggles custom script from, oh my goodness, another plane. Okay, so I closed the window, so hopefully the plane sounds are not as bad. I don't know why there's so many planes. Where are people going? So I use this couple sticker from PMD stickers and a Johnson Snuggles custom script from Plans. She knows snuggling with my husband, and then I use this grocery stickers from PMD stickers and a grocery script from Kinsey's Creation to note getting our grocery delivery. So that is the end of this spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread. In a second I'm going to give you guys a bit of a wiggle. Let me know what you think of this foil pairing with this kit. This was the one I struggled with the most, because when I bought the foils from PlannerFace, I had a plan for which kits I was going to use it from, because I had to take out 2 Halloween kits because the previous 2 weeks have been baby kits, but I didn't remember which kit I bought each foil from, so I kind of guessed that this was for this kit. So let me know what you think of this pairing, because it's not obvious pairing, because this kit, even though it does have pink, it's more, you know, traditional Halloween colours, but I decided to bring in more of the pink. Let me know what you think of that. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a wiggle and then what's left of this kit, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!